Welcome to this course about the fundamentals of digital advertising. In today's hyper-connected world, digital advertising is at the heart of how brands build visibility, drive engagement, and convert audiences into loyal customers. Businesses are leveraging social media and search engines to stay competitive, and skilled digital advertisers are the need of the hour. This course helps you acquire essential knowledge of the core concepts, buying models, tools, and strategies of digital-based advertising that will enable you to launch high-impact ad campaigns that put your brand right at the top of search results, leverage keyword research, bidding strategies, and ad group structuring for maximum ROI, boost B2B growth through impactful LinkedIn advertising and focused audience targeting, create attention-grabbing campaigns on Facebook and Instagram using demographic, interest, and behavior-based targeting. Initiate and sustain successful shopping campaigns through Google Merchant Center, and leverage influencer marketing to amplify your product and service reach. The course caters to aspiring digital advertisers and growth hackers looking to grow their careers in digital advertising, as well as business owners, entrepreneurs, and startup founders who want to leverage it to achieve business goals. No prior qualification or experience in advertising is required, just interest and willingness to learn. A basic knowledge of marketing concepts will be an added advantage. The course consists of 4 modules, each designed to be completed in just 2 to 3 hours and covers a key area of digital advertising. Let's take a closer look at what each module covers. In Module 1, you'll gain a foundational understanding of digital advertising and search engine marketing, or SEM, by covering core concepts, key terms, and buying models. Module 2 dives into B2B lead generation and Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn advertising, audience identification techniques, different ad formats, and campaign types. Module 3 will introduce you to the essential concepts of how shopping campaigns work on Google and the fundamentals of influencer marketing. Module 4 wraps up the course with a final project, allowing you to apply your skills by creating a digital advertising campaign. You'll also complete the final exam to test your understanding. The hands-on labs will help you develop skills by allowing you to plan an advertising campaign, do keyword research, create ad groups, optimize a campaign, create a B2B target audience using LinkedIn features, create a realistic shopping campaign, analyze influencer data points and evaluate, and select influencers. The final project combines the key concepts, enabling you to demonstrate your skills by creating a comprehensive digital advertising campaign for a specific task and outcome. This course combines foundational concepts from videos and readings, practical examples, and experiential learning through hands-on labs. The course also includes practice quizzes to help you reinforce your learning and graded quizzes to assess your understanding of key concepts. That's not all. You will gain on-ground insight as you hear from industry insiders through expert viewpoint videos, where practitioners share valuable tips in digital advertising. Are you ready to kickstart your digital advertising career and learn the foundational skills needed to excel in it? Let's get started.